Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to enable fingerprint lock on TeraBox Vault, and now let's dive right in. Now to enable or turn on the fingerprint lock on TeraBox Vault, first open up your TeraBox app on your phone. And after opening your TeraBox app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see the three-line icon available for us. Tap on the three-line icon at the top left corner of the screen on this interface. And you can see, guys, when this panel appears, there is the personal vault option available for us, which is the third one just above the recycling bin. Tap on the personal vault and you land over here where at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen, and when this drop down menu appears, tap on settings and you can see the fingerprint unlock option available for us. Now in order to enable the fingerprint lock, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the fingerprint unlock over here, and you'll be required to verify your fingerprint lock or your passcode. And with that being said, guys, this is how to enable the fingerprint lock on TeraBox Vault. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.